Hi, I'm dgerard and this is Pivot to AI, coming to you Monday to Friday. Today, what if OpenAI ran out of steam right at the last minute? OpenAI, the flagship of the AI bubble, they want to do an initial public offering on the stock market. They've skinned all the world's big money suckers, and now it's time to hit the public markets in the quest for other people's money. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley have written a draft prospectus. OpenAI is hoping to do the IPO in September. Note that SpaceX's IPO is set for June 12th. That's going to mess things up for OpenAI and suck up a lot of the 2026 IPO money. The other problem is, OpenAI's accounts are known to be trash. Their own chief financial officer says so. But more details are leaking about how trash their business is to places like The Information, who spoke to a couple of guys. In first quarter 2026, OpenAI took in $5.75 billion in revenue. That's a nice number, but they told their investors their operating income margin was minus 122%. Quote, OpenAI has told investors that its adjusted operating income margin was minus 122% in the first quarter, according to The People. This means that for every dollar of revenue the company generated, it lost $1.22. Even after excluding some large line items such as stock-based compensation, according to one of The People. Unquote. That's the margin, not including fixed costs like training. Also, that's an adjusted number. Adjusted is an accounting jargon term which means made-up BS. I suspect OpenAI really had an even bigger loss. OpenAI is trying to get more revenue per user with products like its coding bot, Codex. They're going to need that extra revenue because the actual user numbers have gone flat. Quote, OpenAI's weekly active users for the quarter averaged about 905 million users, according to The Two People. Although the company hit about 920 million weekly active users in February, the lower average figures for the quarter implies that usage during the rest of the quarter was weaker than the February snapshot. The number of users at the end of March couldn't be learned. Unquote. That 920 million figure works like an annualised number, where you pick your best week and you make out its typical. So yeah, the user numbers are flat. OpenAI has stopped growing. 900 million is a lot of users. Mostly not paying users, though. OpenAI admits only a few % of their users convert to a subscription. OpenAI's next job is to try to skate past all of these inconvenient details to the golden shores of the IPO. As long as these tawdry facts don't pull them down. And if there's any IPO money left in the markets after SpaceX. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Programming note, we have our house moving date. It's June 2nd. So this coming week of Pivot to AI should be fine up to May 29th. Then we'll be taking the week after that off entirely for the move. Then we should be back Monday, 8th June. I will record yelling at my phone in the yard if I have to. We still need your emergency support. The move and the laptop are expensive. Please do click on the Patreon or the Ko-fi linked in the show notes. The Amazon wishlist is still open. I've had US readers say it won't let them buy things. What you do is you switch the deliver to address to the UK. On desktop, that's on the left of the screen between the Amazon logo and the search box. That should work. Contact me if it doesn't. And Redbubble has a sale starting tomorrow. Time to get new Pivot to AI shirts and mugs. Thank you all. I could not do this without all of you. I will see you on Monday, and bye for now.